and welcome to the official channel of Herbilt Creative House. Herbilt Creative House is a brand that specializes in making different kinds of bags, and we train people to become professional in the bag making industry. So in this channel, get ready to explore different ways on how to make professional bags that stand out. So if you are a beginner or you are an aspiring bag maker, this is the right channel for you to be, where you get to learn amazing ways on how to make bags that stand out. Even if you are a bag maker already, this channel is still the right place for you to be. You get to learn different ways on how to explore how to make bags, different kind of bags. So there is no end to learning. You get to learn new things. So even if you are a bag maker, this is still the right place for you to be. So stay tuned to this channel. You don't want to miss any updates when released. So ensure you subscribe to this channel and turn off your notification button so you get notified when any video is being released. I can't wait to share with you different amazing ways to making bags. See you on in my next class. Bye.